Right now I will quickly show you hidden features on the Redmi Note 14s. So first of all we'll start with the CIT menu. Let's go for the settings. From here we will have to go for About Phone, and right here let's find it. We have to go for the detailed info and specs, and as we find the kernel version we have to tap it a couple of times and we'll be able to enter the CIT menu with different kind of tests for, I don't know, like if you want to check if anything is working right here on your phone, you can check the OTG test, gyroscope test, some other stuff. Basically there's a lot of things to check. So this is one of the things that are actually this is one of the hidden features right here. The next thing what we have is let me quickly find this one, the storage. Where is the storage? Internal storage. We have to tap on this one a couple of times, and right here we have some device information like phone information, some basic stuff, a lot of different things. Yeah, and the last thing I want to show you is, let's go quickly for the security application, and from here as we scroll all the way down, right here we can swipe up to open the toolbox, and as we open this one up, here we have all of these different kind of tools that are available with which we can manage our phone. Here we can find the game turbo and some other stuff, and these are basically all of these hidden features on the Redmi Note 14s.